guys, don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell so you get instant notifications on future videos, and always leave me a comment in the comment section. I always reply. Alright guys, so Labor Day is this weekend. We've still got a little bit of work to do in the front and back to get it ready for seed. So here is the final prep. We're going to scalp the front yard and dethatch the back, thin it out a little bit, and everything will be ready for seed. Let's go. Tell you what, that'll whip your butt in a heartbeat. But look at them stripes. Not bad for dead grass. So this is the final scalp on this. I mean, it's as low as the mower will go. I'm eating rocks, going through dirt, all kinds of stuff. Which reminds me, should you do this, do not use a new blade because you're just going to destroy it. Just make sure that you're due for a sharpening or a new blade. I'm just going to replace my blade altogether after this. I'm due for it anyway, and this is just absolutely eating it up. I mean, and they're 20 bucks. All right, sorry for the bugs, but it's just going to be real quick. So I've got some crabgrass behind me. It's a little late to be spraying considering my friend's coming out to aerate this weekend, and I don't want to spray and risk anything messing with my seed. So in order to thin out the crabgrass a little bit before it goes ahead and kills itself or dies out this fall or winter, I'm going to thin it out a little bit to give my new grass a little room to breathe, a little room to grow, and so it doesn't have to fight so much. So here we go. Alright, so you get the basic idea. It looks a lot better. You see all this right here behind me? That was me this weekend having the idea of, well, I'll just run the garden weasel over it and break it up a little bit and then rake up the loose stuff. And it wasn't doing anything, and I got pissed off and I went at it with my hands and I tore it up pretty good. So, but you can see it thinned it out a whole lot. See bare ground now. Yeah, I still obviously got a lot of work to do compared to like these areas. But anything worth doing is worth doing right. So, and this is not something you want to be doing after working in construction all day in an unair conditioned building when it was 96 degrees outside. Keep that in mind. Hey, real quick while I'm at work, guys, I wanted to remind you that there is also a Facebook group under the same name, RVA Lawn Love. So if you're interested, looking for another lawn group to chat on Facebook, check it out. Good morning, everybody. So it's Friday morning, Labor Day weekend, and it rained all night last night. So I doubt my buddy's coming by this weekend to aerate the backyard, which means that next week we're gonna do the front and the back. Next week, the crew's coming out to till it up, add 40 yards of compost, regrade, and then we get the seed, starter fertilizer, humic, rake it in, roll it, and that's it. Then in the back, we're gonna aerate, overseed, starter fertilizer, milorganite, and humic acid, and then just let that one be. So next week's gonna be very exciting. Starting fire with flint. That's right.
Wait, Dad. Wait, guys, you've done it again. Fire. How do you say? Wait, guys, you've done it again. How do you say? Wait, guys, you've done it again.
All right, guys, we've done it again.
Yep. So, guys, make sure you subscribe to my dad's channel. Give him a thumbs up. Give him 20 million subscribes.
That's right. Thank you, baby. well, we made it back. Thanks for spending the last week of summer with me. Thanks for watching the whole video. Remember to listen to my daughter. I need 20 million subscribers, so you best get to it. Give it a thumbs up. Like I said, thanks again, guys. This week's a big week for the yard, so coming out to do the front and the back this week. Be sure to check back in. Till next time, peace.